Hello, audio test. All right. The stream went down because no power. Yeah, and it took some time to come back. Wasted my precious time, like half an hour. Yeah, but yeah, half an hour is half an hour. Okay, back to this. I was organizing stuff. Oh yeah, and what was I checking? This is in S2. Yeah, these are the lights. This is the other stuff used. There's no, yeah. So I remembered the shot ends when the key lands here. So there's no need for the external collection either. And now I have cam and lights. Let's not do that. We'll just keep everything together one like this. Switch, lights, other stuff used, backup mesh, the camera and the focus. This will go in other. And since yeah, we're using one camera, so no need for a collection. Now save this on incremental save. Yeah, incremental save. Taking its time. Is it because I have the file compression turned on for its sake that my CPU shoots to 100% on all cores because of the file compression? I suspect so. It's still saving. Oh, and there's an auto save. Okay, forget the auto save. Now for the this is organized. Now make a new collection. Name this as S1 transition and open another Blender file. The previous one, the S1 file, and organize stuff over there too. Look at this. Takes a while to load, but what can I do? Okay, Now for organizing stuff over here, but organize here too. S1 cam, lights, non-random. What was the name? S2. Okay, you go in this collection. Lights and camera and other. New collection. S1 other. What was it named? Other. Yeah, other stuff. Put that here. And that means all the stuff is completed. Now, the names are S1 focus, S1 path, S2 focus, S1 path. No, and this is for S2 actually. We name everything with S2 so easier to manage. Now we save this file. Okay, this is saved. Now to append this the previous one to this collection. Append a collection which is S1 NM. This collection append. Okay, we wait. Look at this. It stays at 100 for whenever interacting with file, saving file. Alright, there it is. This got renamed. Wait, no. Before appending, I have to delete the delete thing. Time wasted. I forgot. hydrate. Alright, now delete this thing, delete hierarchy. As for the legacy stuff, I need to check that. This collection, what does it has? Alright, only this part. What else? Just the old LED thing. Let me check if I have it. The updated file. Updated. Yeah, I do have that collection in this file. So I can simply delete this, delete hierarchy. As soon as that happens, you see my CPU load. It's gonna take some time. There. For that much time, it goes in full load. Okay, now that stuff is deleted, in the ref, yeah, I'll keep that ref, unused data, the comp node, dot noise, filter, how do I, yeah, some materials and mesh, node groups, objects, text, and the canvas. Okay, 7 node groups, 4 images, 7 node groups. Is it gonna delete the text? No, I don't think. Yeah. Wait, what are the groups? Okay, delete all that. All right, William. And now I will append. Yeah, let's see now. There shouldn't be any renames now. 0.001. The thing at the end. Okay, appended. Nothing is renamed. Great. It's now organized. So, the transition. Yeah, the lights are over here, and the lights are over here. Z-band lights are these all right. So, I don't want to replace this light, the external point light, the internal point light, and this thing is why isn't it highlighted? Bottom light, bottom light. They both are at the same place. Now, to view the stuff, I must. This is gonna lag. Okay, either way, these two bottom lights in the graph editor filter show me the transforms. Wait, don't show me transforms here, show me transforms. Only here. Now for the Y location and this Y location. They both are same frame. Okay, there's keyframes over here and here. And these two are from this object. The y-axis is the same, and for all of these, they are not changing, right? Or are they? There's a rotation. It's rotating on the Y. Is it? Yeah, there's some Y rotation. Let me frame all of these. Is there a way to isolate channels? Hide unselected curves. Hide unselected curves. Hide selected curves. Don't tell me this is gonna lag. Extra. Okay, it did not lag. Frame the channels. There's the keyframes, and there's no change at all for these. So delete, and the location values. The location is changing only for the y-axis, which is 22 to 21. Just a little bit. Y location. Is it same for that bottom right? Let's see. Yeah, they both are the same. And for the X and Y location, yeah, these are also same. Delete. That means both of the location are same, and so I can let's make another collection. Really? Um, okay, keep these as it is and change stuff over here. Yeah, so the main front light was this one. This doesn't have any keyframe. This has keyframe. The previous shot is, let me see, 120 to 180 is the same, and the power changes from 45 to 90, and so that means no change for the main light. So this is done. This is also done. There's no change. Rim light. Now, did I change the power? Point 4. The beam angle and the power. Make sure that these are ahead of 30 frames. Yes, they are. And this is 70, 24, 24. This is also 24. Yeah, this is point 4. This is 0. So no changes in this one. Apart from this, wait, actually, yeah, there's changes. The main front light, this thing should start at point 4 value. So keyframe 0, and later when it drops below, wait, it drops below from, yeah, till 90. I didn't read all the frames. There's 80 frames less. I'll have to check in here. So 536. This is 180. This is 360 plus 180, 540. So this should be ending at 540. Now to see what it looks like at 540, this has constraint on S1 focus. Okay, where's the camera? S2 cam, set active camera. 180. So these are loading times and all. It's mainly my CPU which is not able to keep up. Noted. CPU is slow. Okay, it is pressed down. Same as the Yeah, now that is what I know. And this thing, not this thing. Yeah, this one. The beam angle. The beam angle changes to full view at 90 because at 90 the key goes down and then actually as the key goes down then the spread light becomes that way. Beam angle and the value and the power. Rest of the things can hide. So this one over here, this is at 70. Okay, after 1 second, which will be 100, or 60, 70 plus 60, 130 over here. Yeah, let's try this at 130, which is after a second. The beam increases in size after a second. It starts increasing from here, and then you have a little bit of catch time that the beam has increased in size. The main light is the rim light. They both don't have anything, nothing, no animation. Multiple importance. This one doesn't have multiple importance. Let me check something. So the rim light is appearing here on the side. I uncheck the multiple importance, and as for this one, the multiple importance doesn't matter because it's hidden behind. Okay, rim light is done. Shade light, what have I changed here? Seems like nothing. Yeah, shade light is same. These two. This one I have increased the power, limited the power from 0.1 to 0 so that the shade doesn't affect the bottom stuff. This is as soon as the beam starts expanding. Okay, if all the stuff is same, this is at same position. This is also at same position. Yeah, the rim light, the bottom light. Okay, the bottom light is what I have animated. The power and location. Bottom light. Bottom light's power ends at 0.1, 0.01. So it should start at 0.01, which it does. That is okay. What is this one? Bottom light. Yeah, yeah. That is okay. So it's mostly the point lights which are making the difference. Bottom light rotation. And where is it? Yeah, these three. These three must have a gradual increase till 30. Make up for the transition. So for the internal point light, so when if I animate this till 30, it is increased in full. So this will make some contrast in the starting frames. Yeah, till 30. The power value, set this to 30 and 0 at 0 there. This one should be at keyframe 1. No, wait, actually. Yeah, there's no difference. It starts from here. It is a gradual increase. Though this is for just in half a second. Let me check. So this just comes at top here. I was thinking if I make the point lights. Wait, that is internal point light. No need for that one. So this is done. And now the external one, keyframe. Change this to 1. starts here and 0, wait, not 1. This is at 30, 0, keyframe, 1, there, the external point light. And now same for this thing. Let me see the rotation. This is more contrast and interesting. This is flat, looks very flat on the case color, the switch case, whatever, the switch body, the switch housing. This will solve, yeah, the increase. This will keep on increasing till here, and I think I did not animate the rotation, though I do see stuff here. The light is changing. That is way too subtle. Okay, the bottom light and this bottom light. So this is where the transition happens. I will have to and this bottom light. That's the power. This is bottom light and that is bottom light. So I only need this bottom light here. This is S1 bottom light. I will append these with set name prefix S2 underscore. There. So I will have to have transition these two lights. Wait, actually set the frame to 1. Will this change the position? Think so. I don't think so. On the y-axis